Hi everyone, it's JoJo. I am so excited. I am a guest designer, which you have seen in a previous video for Relative History, and their website is www.relative, RELATIVE, a hyphen, history, history.co.uk. I will leave the link below. If you click on the link that I leave you, you will get a 10% discount if you decide to go in and buy this kit. So I thought I would show you these papers. This is featuring Jane Austen, who was a really famous author. She's wrote books mainly like on romance and love. She was from back in the Georgian period, the era. Sorry, I say the wrong word. But yeah, she's really awesome and did some awesome works and wrote some awesome books. I really like her stories. So I'm going to show you the pages. This is the front. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? All those flowers. Very, very pretty. And I can see this being very shabby chic. This has lace around the picture. It is just absolutely beautiful. I love the way that the colors are just, they're kind of antique-ish, but at the same time they're bright and they're bold. They are not, how do I say it? They're not like sometimes you get a paper and it's smudged. These are not smudged. The graphics are very crisp and beautiful. Here's another one with a picture with lace around it. Isn't that just beautiful? I love these pages and can't wait to work with them. Sorry about my dog barking. Isn't that pretty? All of her characters are normally really talkative. They're always in conversation. I love this picture too. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a very light outline of lace on that. It's just really pretty. And then see the pages coordinate too. So these would make really nice for junk journals or scrapbooking or any other kind of journaling project that you'd like to do. I think that they would be pretty too, you know, to print more than one copy and put it towards making a box or a little jewelry box, some other little project as well. Here's another. See the lace around it? And all the laces are different. This one has lace around it too. Very light. It's really pretty. And of course, the pages coordinate. And I also received the digital, so I will be working with those as well. But I thought that I would show how pretty these pages are. And if you buy the paper pack and have it delivered, it is a really nice and thick cardstock. I just love these. Just absolutely beautiful. Has all the little birds. Here's a little bird. Pretty. Isn't this so pretty? I love these pages. And I think this last one here, last but not least, I think this is one of my favorites. I have a special project in mind just for this page. Isn't that pretty? And then there is postcards with the ladies' pictures. I say they're either Jane. I'll leave that laying up. Aren't these pretty? I absolutely love the dresses back in this era. The little roses that are sewn, you know, around the bottom of the hem of the dress. Not roses, but flowers. They're pretty. This dress almost looks like a velvet. It just reminds me of it, or maybe a silk. And then this one has fringe and lace along the bottom edge. Very beautiful. And the printing is awesome on these. I love this one. Is that pretty? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 17 is what I think I just counted. Pictures. These are really nice. And like I said, I will leave the link below to these. They're awesome little kits. I say little, they're not really little. There's a lot here, a lot of pages. You see me do the flip through, so there is quite a few pages and quite a few of the little pictures. And this is an amazing kit. I just love it, and I can't wait to start working with it. So I will leave a link below and let you know where you can go to purchase this. And if you use my link, you get a 10% discount. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Be kind to one another. Bye-bye.